Hey J Warriors, welcome, and we have some really controversial questions. In fact, in chemistry and maths again. But whether it will be considered out of syllabus or should it be given bonus marks, that's something which we need to talk about. And probably it will also help you avoid any kind of miscommunication or other rumors which are being spread that okay, listen, this is out of syllabus or this is not out of syllabus. Let's put an end to all of this, and we will obviously have a very proper academic technical discussion just like we had it before for the 27th first 27th Jan first shift. So the same kind of analysis we'll do. So let's get upon Nandini ma'am and Namrata ma'am, because they are going to explain you the academic point of view of both these. Oh my god, I hope I was audible and visible all this while. All right, so let's have an academic discussion, guys, of the maths and the chemistry session. All right, so let's see where those I think that, yeah, thank you ma'am. Let's see what those questions are. So this is the maths question, which is again raised by many students that, sir, is this really in the syllabus? So let's get in Namrata ma'am to pitch in for this.
Yes, so yesterday also, not yesterday, on 27 January, shift 1, we discussed that there was one question which was related to properties of binomial theorem, wherein we were using this property. Let me just show you. Okay.
I think
We didn't download this, so pending now.
Okay.
we
Anyway.
can use this, I think. Turn on the pen. Yeah.
So there was a property which we used. NCR will be equal to N by R, N minus 1, CR minus 1. This property is from the deleted syllabus, but if you know this property, this question, you can solve it with much lesser time. But again, this question is not out of syllabus because we have another method from which we can solve it, and you can see the method. We can solve it using integration method. So not out of syllabus, but again, if you read some property of binomial theorem, and you know what, this is a similar property which we applied yesterday. So this is one such property which I would recommend if you have your upcoming exam on 30th or 1st February, then you should learn this property, you should understand this property, and you should solve at least 3 to 5 questions on this property so that you can save your time. In mathematics, you all know that time saving is at most important for you.
So ma'am, this happened second time, is it?
Yes.
This happened second time, and that to the same property has got
Yes.
repeated, which was out of the syllabus.
Yes.
If ma'am, some student would have done via this method, then how much more time he would have taken?
Not much more, but 1 or 2 minutes, maybe more, but 1 or 2 minutes is actually important in the
Okay.
examination. It's very critical.
So,
yes.
will generally students be able to think about this method?
Yes, sir. They will be able to think about it, but again, this method will give you answer in nanoseconds. So I have solved using this method only in the paper solution. Yes.
Perfect. So, my dear students, this question, so finally is not bonus. So remember that, okay?
Huh.
This is in the syllabus only. So, but it's just that out of syllabus content is helping you solve it in a little bit easier manner.
Yes, and this property also, now you should, if you have paper on 30th and 1st, this property can be lifesaver for you.
Correct. And remember one thing, those students, oh, by the way, now chemistry, also there are some controversial questions, we'll be coming to that. But also keep in mind, in case any question comes as or becomes bonus, or let's say the data is not matching or the options are not matching, if it comes in objective type, then remember, whether you mark the options or you don't mark the options, you are avoided those bonus marks. But if it is an integer type, there is a different story here. Then even if that question becomes incorrect, only those students who have attempted it will be awarded those bonus marks in integer or numerical type. So keep that in mind. Okay, so it depends where that question comes. So now let's come to chemistry. Nandini ma'am, please elaborate to all the students whether these questions are out of syllabus or not.
Yeah, okay. So this thing has been circulating. I just saw the internet and people are claiming that this question is again out of syllabus. But is it out of syllabus? No way. You just have to look the entire NCERT, scan through the NCERT, what is asked is the electronegativity order, right? Can you see this is the electronegativity order given for your group 14 elements? Can you see from carbon, the electronegativity is actually decreasing and then again it increases a little bit, right? So what was the question? Let us go back again to the question, sir. The question is that the electronegativity of group 14 elements decreases from silicon to lead. So can you see this is the order that is given in your NCERT? So is it decreasing? Is it decreasing? No, it is actually increasing, right? So but according to the trend given in your NCERT, the electronegativity for silicon, germanium and tin remains almost equal, right? It is not 1.8 exactly, but it is equivalent to 1.8, right? So this is according to the data given in NCERT, but again, if you check the data, which is the live actual data, like the real-time data, if we check through the internet, the electronegativity values for silicon is 1.9. For germanium, it is 2. For tin, it is again decreasing and then it is again increasing. So this question can be considered a bit controversial if you consider the internet. But as we know that NTA only considers the values given in NCERT. So from silicon to lead, it has asked, so the value is actually increasing. So that will be the answer and it will never be considered an out of syllabus question. But yes, it is again a factual based question. So the key takeaway from questions like this is again that the chemistry is back, like we're back to chemistry.
You have to come back to, always
Facts.
NCERT,
Yeah.
and the facts have to be always as per NCERT. So
Correct.
remember that. And there was one more question, I believe, ma'am.
Yeah, again another question,
Yes, ma'am.
which again people are claiming that it is out of syllabus, it is from metallurgy, but it is not. All these values are actually given in your P block elements. The minerals, right? The occurrence part is actually mentioned in your JEE 2024 syllabus, right? And the occurrence of all these minerals are mentioned in your P block elements syllabus. This screenshot is from your 17th group and this other screenshot is from your 13th group of elements. So all these minerals and their occurrences are actually given in your NCERT. And if one of them you don't know, like dolomite, you can always consider that by the elimination option, which we have been learning about since time again, right?
And these are actual screenshots from the
NCERT.
NCERT, my dear students, and this is not from metallurgy chapter as has been claimed by some students or some teachers. It is actually from your proper inorganic chemistry, which are there in the included syllabus. It's not a part of the deleted syllabus. So sorry to disappoint you. Many students were hoping that the questions become bonus and they get bonus marks. My aim and our team's aim over here is to give you a fact check, to give you the truth and not unnecessarily create confusion in your mind or create any sorts of rumors. So please, show these things to your colleagues or to your institutions as well, in case they are telling you, listen, this is from out of syllabus and all. No, give them this fact checker video. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, because on this channel you will get the latest information related to JEE, the pure academic content related to physics, chemistry, mathematics, and you will get the right information without any remorse. And just like you saw over here, we are sticking towards and sticking with NCERT, because that's what NTA is finally going to consider.
Do not panic. People are trying to cause panic in you. The last moment that this is out of syllabus, is that out of syllabus? No, the entire thing exactly from NCERT. We are back to the basics again with 2024 JEE. That is NCERT.
Right. And remember that our JEE Mains test series have already started their enrollments. So if you are aiming for only the second attempt, you have the JEE Mains second attempt, test series. The link is there in the description box. But I would recommend personally that you should be focusing on Mains plus Advance. So you should get the Mains test series plus the Advanced test series as a combo offer. Don't wait for the second attempt to be over to start advanced preparation. You will get more than 30 to 40 tests just for your mains and advanced preparation based on the new pattern as well as the test discussions, and you can get all India rank with rank prediction. The links are there in the description box, right? So make sure you check them out as well. And if you have attempted the papers and you want to predict your scores percentiles and then your college and your branch, there's a link for predicting your rank as well with the college and the branch. This is a unique kind of rank predictor. Check out the link which is there in the description box. So that was a quick information for all of you. I'll be seeing you for the next shift discussion as well. Don't go anywhere. Stay cool, stay calm, and stay updated with the factual information on the Vedantu JEE English channel, the #1 JEE channel in South and the #1 English channel in the country. Bye bye. This was Captain Shreyas signing off with your amazing Vedantu JEE English Warriors team. Bye bye, guys.